Thinking about remodeling your home or designing a brand new one? Before you move a wall, draw a floor plan, or hire a contractor. You need to understand how much space each room really needs. Welcome to DC Home Edition and Home Remodeling. And in this video, we'll walk you through each area of the home with minimum room dimensions required by building code for optimal space planning, what actually works best in real life, common homeowner mistakes, and pro-level design tips you'll wish you knew earlier. Let's dive in and get your space planned right. Number 1, full bathrooms. The code minimum is 5 by 7 feet or 35 square feet. The recommended size is 5 by 8 feet for tighter layouts, 6 by 10 or more for comfort. Common mistakes: cramming everything into the smallest layout, poor clearance in front of the toilet, less than 21 inches, forgetting storage for towels and toiletries. Best advice: leave at least 15 inches from the toilet center line to the wall. Double vanity: allow at least 6 feet width. Use pocket doors or sliding doors to save space. Consider adding a linen closet inside or nearby. Number 2, powder room. The code minimum is 3 by 6 feet. The recommended size is 4 by 6 feet or 4 by 7 feet. Common mistakes: placing the powder room in a public area with no privacy, inadequate lighting or ventilation, narrow doorways. Best advice: install a vent fan, required if no window. Use wall-mounted vanities to create more floor space. Position near the foyer or hallway, not next to the kitchen. Number 3, master bathroom. Code: no fixed size but subject to fixture spacing rules. Recommended: 9 by 9 feet, but the minimum 10 by 12 feet or more is ideal. Common mistakes: placing fixtures too close, causing awkward movements, oversizing the tub and leaving no room to walk, skipping natural light or privacy glass windows. Best advice: shower size minimum 3 by 4 feet, but 4 by 6 feet is luxury. Freestanding tub: leave at least 6 to 8 inches clearance around. Use a separate toilet room for privacy, minimum 3 by 5 feet. Number 4, garage. A one-car garage, the minimum is 10 by 20 feet, but the better version is 12 by 24 feet or 14 by 24 feet. On a 2-car garage, the minimum is 20 by 20 feet. The better version is 22 by 24 feet or 24 by 24 feet. Common mistakes: building to the bare minimum makes it useless for storage. Forgetting trash bins, bikes, lawn tools, or workshop space. Low ceiling that restricts overhead storage or tall vehicles. Best advice: add at least 4 feet extra on one side for storage. 8 feet garage doors allow for large trucks and SUVs. Use slat walls or overhead racks to stay organized. Number 5, living room. The minimum is 12 by 18 feet for small room. The recommended size is 15 by 20 feet or more. Common mistakes: planning based on empty space, not furniture layout. No place for TV or too far from sofa. No outlets or lighting planning. Best advice: leave 36 inches clearance around furniture. Position TV 7 to 10 feet from seating, depends on size. Use recessed lighting plus floor lamps for ambiance. Number 6, bedrooms. For small bedroom, the code minimum 70 square feet, typically 7 by 10 feet. However, the better version is 10 by 10 feet or 13 by 10 feet. For the master bedroom, the recommended size is 12 by 14 feet to 14 by 16 feet. Common mistakes: placing windows or doors where the bed should go. No walk-in closet or poor closet depth. Small space but large furniture. Best advice: leave 24 to 36 inches around the bed to walk comfortably. Use built-in closet organizers to save space. Pre-wire for outlets on both sides of the bed. Number 7, laundry room. The minimum is 3 by 6 feet for stacked machines. The recommended size is 6 by 9 feet or more for full use. Common mistakes: no space to fold clothes or sort laundry. Machines right next to bedroom with no noise insulation. No ventilation or water overflow drain. Best advice: add a folding counter and upper cabinets. Include a floor drain and pan under washer. Soundproof the wall if it's near sleeping areas. Number 8, dining room. The minimum is 9 by 9 feet. The recommended size is 11 by 14 feet for 6-person, 12 by 16 feet for 8-person. Common mistakes: squeezing a large table into a small space, no side clearance to walk behind chairs, poor lighting for dining ambiance. Best advice: allow 36 to 48 inches clearance around the table. Install a dimmer switch for flexible lighting. Leave room for a buffet or cabinet on one side. Number 9, kitchen dimensions. The minimum aisle width is about 36 inches. But for one cook, the best is 42 inches. For 2 cooks, it is 48 inches between island and counters. Common mistakes: island too big or too close to counters. No work triangle between sink, stove, and fridge. Insufficient counter space next to appliances. Best advice: sink, stove, fridge should form a triangle, each leg 4 to 9 feet. Leave 15 inches counter space next to fridge and oven. Add outlets with GFCI protection near water sources. Number 10, hallways. The code minimum is about 36 inches wide, but the best one is 42 to 48 inches for comfort. Common mistakes: narrow hallways that feel like tunnels, no natural light or lighting fixtures, hallways that end in a blank wall. Best advice: add art niches, wall sconces, or windows at the end. Use soft white lighting every 6 to 8 feet. Make transitions wider in open floor plans. Number 11, ceiling heights. The habitable rooms is 7 feet minimum, code. The best practice is 8 to 10 feet for comfort. Common mistakes: keeping ceilings low in open areas like kitchens, skipping vaulted or coffered ceilings in large rooms. Best advice: raise ceiling height where possible in open concept designs. Use higher ceilings to add value and light. Add transom windows or skylights for daylight in rooms with limited wall space. Final home space planning tips: design for how you actually live. A big living room means nothing if the layout is awkward. Always plan furniture layout before finalizing room size. You'll catch a lot of design flaws early. Don't underestimate traffic flow. Walkways around furniture and entry paths should feel natural. Think long-term. Wider doors, better storage, and better lighting make your home last longer and work better. Hire a designer or use 3D tools. Seeing your layout to scale can help avoid regrets later. Thanks you guys for watching. We hope this guide helped you understand what sizes you really need and what to avoid when designing your home. If you're in the DMV area and planning a remodel, addition, or custom home build, give us a call at 703-980-3266. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss helpful remodeling tips. See you in the next one.